Second video. This is the output. This is in the back. What I say is 9.5 inches. It's in great condition. Has the power supply and all the components for the power supply. Once again, is wiring 115, I'm sorry, and I'm gonna leave it like that. Just be careful when you handle those devices. Don't never look through the laser beam, that could be injured. And the power supply as well, you know, 1700 DC volt DC, so it's a lot, so be careful. So 37.99 plus $12 shipping in the USPS medium flat rate box. So thank you for watching, and I will take some pictures.